Hi guys, good evening. All are getting my screen and voice. Please confirm once. Please confirm in chat box. All are getting my screen and voice. Good. Right guys. So in the last session, we tried to deploy one static application inside our Linux virtual machine. So you guys remember what we did in our last session. So this is what we did in last session. We took one Linux virtual machine and we installed one web server. Why we installed web server in that Linux virtual machine? If you want to run any web application, we need one web server. That's why we installed one web server in Linux virtual machine. Which web server we installed? HTTPD web server we installed in Linux virtual machine. Right. After that, we have created one static application. Right. See guys, if you want to install web server, what steps we followed? These are the steps. Right. First, we move to after opening our once you connected to the Linux virtual machine, we need to go to super user. Who is the super user? Root is the super user. First we need to go to the root user. For that, just run this command sudo su. Su stands for super user. Later what we need to do, right here, whatever the packages are available, we are going to update those packages for the latest versions. For that, we need to run this command yum update -y. Right, once you took the update of the packages, we need to install HTTPD server. For that, I am using this command yum install HTTPD -y. Once you install this server, what we need to do? Right, we are going to this var folder. Inside that var folder, we have www folder. Inside that, we have HTML folder is available. There, we are creating one index.html file. Index.html file we are creating. Inside that index.html, I am writing some content. See, we are opening that index.html file by using vi editor and I am writing some content inside that. Right. So now we need to access. Right. Once you write the content, we need to start the service. Right. We need to start the server also. Right. How you will start the server? Which command we need to use to start the server? See, this is the command which we need to use. Service is a module. If you want to start the server, or if you want to stop the server, or if you want to restart the server, then we are going to use this service module. Right? By using service module, we can start the server, we can stop the server, we can restart the server also. Service. Which service you want to start? HTTPD. HTTPD I want to start. See here, do you want to start or restart or stop? I want to start. Here, take start like this. With this command, we are going to start HTTPD server. Once you start that server, we can access our static website from outside also. Let me do this activity once again, guys. See here, already I'm going to connect. See, I opened this AWS console. I'm going to connect with that Linux machine. Right, if you want to connect with that Linux machine, we need SSH. So select this one. Right, click on connect. I'm using git bash. See here, I have copied this one. Go to here, just paste here. So now we connected to the Linux virtual machine. Fine. So now here what I am going to do, I'm going to that location. Which location? CD. Here I specified one location, right? If you open our notes, here I specified one location. Inside var folder, www folder, HTML folder is available. First, let me go to that location. CD var folder, right? www. Right here we have HTML folder is available. Right here, if you do ls, here you can see, here we have already created index.html file. So let me check what content is available index.html file. Cat index.html. Cat index.html. See here, we have this content. Welcome to DevOps with AWS classes. I want to get this content on the browser. how we can able to get it, how we can able to access this. See guys, just assume this is my static page. This is my static web page. Here I have created one static page inside our Linux virtual machine. I have installed web server and I have created one static page. So now let me try to access this one. Right, before that, what we need to do? We need to start the server. We need to start the server. It come out now. What is the present working directory? Is the present working directory. So now come out. Fine. So now we are outside. Right, guys. Now here, what I am going to do? Observe carefully, guys. 1 minute. PWD, present working directory. We are in inside home, inside EC2 user. Now here, I'm going to start the server. How you will start the server? Service HTTPD, right, start. Service HTTPD, start. 1 minute. Okay. Sorry guys. We are in outside of the root, right? Let me go to the root user. Sudo su. Service HTTPD, start. What happened? We installed, right, HTTPD. What is the problem here? We didn't use it, this one. So this which Linux machine we used in last session? Okay. So now let me install that one. Yeah. So what we need to install, guys? Let me install once again. So I think we used this one only last session. Right. See guys, same commands I'm going to follow. So let me install this HTTPD command. Yum install HTTPD -y. Already installed, it is saying. Okay. So then what is the problem? Already it is there. Service HTTPD start we are using. Bin system redirecting to bin systemctl start HTTPD service. Latest version already installed and latest version only is there. Why it is not starting? Service HTTPD start we use it. Anything wrong we are doing, guys? Please come check it once. Same we are using, right? Service httpd start, same we are using. No problem. Give me 1 minute. So let me take another virtual machine. Is there any issue? Stop this instance. Let me connect with this one. Connect. Copy the SSH. Go to here. Paste here. Yes. Right now here, let me go to sudo su. Here m update -y. Right, it is updated. So now here, let me install it now. M install httpd -y. Right, so now it is installed. So now go to that location cd/var/www/html folder I'm opening. Right, so inside that I'm going to create one file. Touch here index.html I'm creating. Now open that vi index.html I'm opening. Right now here just I'm going to write one statement like welcome to DevOps with AWS classes. Welcome to DevOps with AWS classes. I'm writing here. Right now save this one. So now it is saved. So now start the server. Once you saved that, start the server. Service httpd start. Redirecting to bin system control httpd service. Okay, come out from here. pwd. Fine. Here service httpd start. Okay, I will check this one, guys. Why it is not starting server? I will check it. Okay. See, observe carefully, guys. Now, very important topic which we are going to discuss now. So now here what we are going to discuss is here whatever you guys are seeing. Here whatever you guys are seeing in EC2, all these things one by one we need to discuss, guys. AMIs, right? Volumes, elastic block store, network and security. Inside the network security, what is security groups, what is elastic IPs, right? Key pairs, at the same time load balancing, right? So auto scaling, all these things are part of EC2 only. So we are discussing EC2 service. In that EC2 service, all these are the part: auto scaling, load balancing, network and security, elastic block store, images, right? All these things are the instances. All these things are part of EC2 only. Right now we need to talk all these things, guys. We need to discuss all these things, guys. Now tell me, what is EC2, guys? What is EC2? What is EC2, guys? Please confirm. Elastic compute cloud. Elastic compute cloud. EC2 stands for elastic compute cloud. By using this EC2, what we can do? We can create the virtual machines. By using EC2, we can create virtual machines. By using EC2, we can create virtual machines, guys. Guys, observe carefully. What is EC2? Elastic Compute Cloud. By using this EC2, we can create virtual machines in AWS Cloud. Right? Whatever the machines, virtual machines you are creating in EC2, those machines we can call it as instances or servers also. Right? So the machines which we are creating in EC2, the machines, right, which we are creating, the machines which we are creating in EC2, those machines we can call it as instances. Instances are servers. Instances are servers, we will call, guys. Right. See, to create these instances, what we are using, guys? To create these instances, what we are using, right? We are using AMIs. To create this EC2 machines, we are using AMIs. EC2 having several AMIs, guys. By using those AMIs, we are creating the Linux virtual machines. To create Linux virtual machines, what we require, guys? AMIs are required. We have several AMIs are available in EC2. If you go to here, you can see, if you click on this AMIs, here you can able to see all the available AMIs. See, guys, not here. Do one thing. Go to here, instances. Right. If you click on this launch instance, here you can see several EMIs. Here you can see several EMIs, guys. EC2 having several EMIs. EC2 having several EMIs. Sorry, AMIs. AMI stands for what? AMIs. AMI stands for what? Amazon Mission Image. Amazon Mission Image. Amazon Mission Image. See, if you go to here you can see all the available AMIs. If you go to here, you can see all the available AMIs, guys. All these are the AMIs which we have. See here, read it, guys. An AMI is a template that contains a software configuration. An AMI is not giving an empty mission, guys. AWS is not giving empty mission. It is giving a image. It is giving a image, guys. This is not empty mission. It is giving image. See, an AMI is a template that contains the software configurations. That AMI contains operating system, application servers, applications, so many things that AMI contains. right? So with all these things, they are creating one image and they are giving that image to us. What AWS is giving? AWS is giving AMI as a template. It is not an empty mission. That AMI contains operating systems, application servers, and applications also to required to launch your instance, to create your virtual machine, right? So AMI, see, AWS is giving one template with operating system, application server, and applications. Read the statement, guys. An AMI is a template that contains the software configuration. Software configuration in the sense what? Operating system, application server, and applications required to launch your instance, right? You can select an AMI provided by AWS. AWS is providing some AMIs. You can select those things. Our user community, from our user community also you can select, or the AWS marketplace also you can select. User community means what? Some people are created and they upload it. Some images, some AMI images, some people are created and they uploaded. From there you can download. You can take the AMI. Or from AWS marketplace, AWS also providing some AMIs. You can choose those AMIs also. And you can select one of your own AMIs also. If you want, you can create your own AMI, custom AMI. If you want, you can create your own custom AMI and you can choose that AMI also. See guys, observe carefully. Here three places we can choose the AMI. AWS marketplace means AWS is providing some AMIs. We can choose those AMIs. See, this is my AMIs. If I create any AMI, if I create my custom AMI, all those things are available in this my AMIs. Here, I didn't create any custom AMI. Now I will show. I'm going to show that one only, how to create the custom AMI. Till now, we used the AMIs which are provided by some other people or which are provided by the AWS in the marketplace. But now what we are going to do? I'm going to show how to create the custom AMI and how to upload that custom AMI inside this AWS. I'm going to show. Understood, guys? See here, these AMIs are region specific. Mumbai region. Currently, we are in Mumbai region. Whoever connected with this Mumbai region, all those people can use our AMIs. Hello? Guys, please put on mute. See guys, whatever the AMIs we are going to create, those custom images, who can use? Whoever connected with this Mumbai region, those people can use. AMIs are the region specific. See, suppose if you change the region, maybe AMIs will get changed, right? So these AMIs are available in Mumbai region. See guys, we have three places to choose the AMIs. What three places are there? User community. Like us, some other people also created some AMIs and they uploaded in this community AMIs. From here we can choose. See guys, all these AMIs are created by some others like us. Like us, some other people are created these AMIs and they put it here. Right. See, and here we have one more place which is AMI marketplace. AWS marketplace. AWS is providing something. AWS is providing some images. We can choose from there also. Right here, my AMIs. If you create any AMI, we will get those AMIs at here. Understood, guys? What is AMI? AMI is a template that contains software configurations. Let me put this point in our notes. Because an AMI is a template that contains the software configurations. What software configurations? Operating system, application server, and applications required to launch your instance. Right? You can select an AMI provided by AWS, our user community, or the AWS marketplace, or you can select one of your own AMIs. Read this statement, guys. Please read this statement once. So you guys will get a complete picture about AMI. AWS is not giving empty mission. AWS is not giving empty mission, guys. AWS is giving that as a image. AWS is giving as a template, as a image, which contains operating system, application server, and application, some other things, whatever, right? And all those things is coming as a image. We are going to use that image to create an instance, guys. To create the instance, we are using that AMI image. Right, see here, you can choose the AMI in the AWS marketplace or user community or whatever the images you created. You can choose from there also. The statement is clear? Fine, guys. So now observe carefully. What is the advantage of this AMIs? Please try to understand. Very, very important, guys. What is the advantage of this AMI? Try to understand. Let me open Paint. See, guys, here AWS Cloud is available. AWS Cloud is available. Inside this AWS Cloud, I'm going to create one virtual machine. This AWS Cloud, I'm going to create one virtual machine. Inside this virtual machine, I'm going to install some softwares. I'm installing some softwares. This is software 1. So this is software 2. This is software 3. Like that, I'm installing some softwares inside this Linux virtual machine. Observe carefully, guys. Here I have one AWS Cloud. This is my AWS Cloud. Right, inside this AWS Cloud, what I created? I have created one Linux virtual machine. Linux virtual machine I have created. Inside this Linux virtual machine, I have installed 3 softwares. I have installed 3 softwares. What softwares I installed? I have installed Java. Java I installed, and here I have installed Jenkins. Jenkins I have installed, and here I have installed web server. Web server also. Web server. All these 3 things are available. Observe carefully, guys. Inside AWS Cloud, I have created one Linux virtual machine, and in this Linux virtual machine, I have installed Java, and I have installed Jenkins, and I have installed web server also. So this configuration I have done for one project. This configuration I have done for one project. Assume this is my e-commerce Amazon project. Right, Amazon. Just assume, guys. This is for Amazon project. I have did this one. Right. So now observe carefully. So to do this configuration, to do this entire configuration, I spent 5 hours of the time, guys. I spent 5 hours of the time to set up this configuration. 5 hours. 5 hours I spent to do this configuration. Observe carefully, guys, what I am doing. Observe carefully what I am doing here. Fine, guys. To do this setup, I spent 5 hours of the time, guys. Okay. Right. In my company, multiple projects are there, guys. Observe carefully. In companies, multiple projects are available, not single project. Right. For each project, some specific team of developers are available. Specific team of testers are available, guys. If you go with any project, separate team of development team is available. Separate testing team also available. But coming to DevOps, guys. Coming to DevOps people, right, will work for multiple projects simultaneously. For each project, separate DevOps team is not available. DevOps guys will work for multiple projects simultaneously. Development team is available. Separate development team is available. Separate testing team is available. But coming to DevOps, right, one DevOps guy, right, will work on multiple projects separate, multiple projects, guys, not in single project. So for multiple projects, this is Amazon project, and here I have Flipkart. Flipkart project is available. Flipkart project is available. And here, right, what other projects? Right, some XYZ project like this. I have 3 projects are available. For all these 3 projects, I want this same configuration, guys. I want the same configuration. So for that, what I am going to do here, whatever the configuration I did, I'm going to take the same configuration. I'm going to create same thing for all these project, guys. Right, for this one also I need same configuration, and for this one also I need same configuration. See, guys, whatever the projects are available in your company, for all those projects, same configuration is required. One Linux virtual machine, in those Linux virtual machine, Java is required, Jenkins is required, web server is required. Java is required to develop the application. Jenkins is required to develop the application to the server. Web server is required to run the application. See, guys, with the Java, what we are doing? We are developing the application. With the Jenkins, we are deploying the application. With the web server, we are running that application. For that, all these things are required. For all the projects, same configuration is required. So now, if you go to each project and if you do this setup manually for each and every project, how much time you need to spend, guys? You need to spend 15 hours of the time. You need to spend 15 hours of the time to do this setup for each and every project. Instead of doing all these things manually, what I am going to do right here, whatever the setup I did, right, for this Linux machine, with this Linux machine, I am going to create one image. In that image, you will get Linux machine, you will get Java software, you will get Jenkins, you will get web server also. What I am going to do, I have created one Linux machine and I installed Java and I installed Jenkins, I installed web server. Right. So once done all this configuration, what I am going to do, I am going to create one image. With this Linux machine, I am going to create one image. That image you can able to see it here. Here, my AMIs is available. Here you can able to see that image. Tomorrow, if you want any Linux virtual machine with the same configuration, with this configuration, if you want the Linux machine, you no need to do this setup everything. Directly, you can go to that AWS cloud and you can select this AMI. You can select this AMI and you will get all these things, guys. In that image, whatever the things are available, all those things, with all those things, you will get one Linux machine. See, guys, understood why we are creating images? If you don't have those images, you need to do manually all these things. To do manually all these things, these many number of times, repeatedly, right? So much time you need to spend. To avoid that, what we are doing, first we are creating one Linux virtual machine with all the required softwares. Right, then we are creating one image by using that Linux machine. From next time onwards, if you want the same configuration, instead of creating manually, instead of configuring manually, right, we can create same configured machines, same machines with the same configuration by using this AMI. Tell me, guys. Yeah, I will connect it. Is it clear, guys? Why AMI is required? Is it clear? I'm going to do now. I'm going to create one AMI now. I'm going to create one custom AMI. Right. So if you guys are connected with this, Mumbai region, right? So you guys can see the AMI which I am create manually. Tomorrow, if you guys are connected with this Mumbai region, you guys can see the AMI which I created. Directly you can choose that and you will get the Linux virtual machine with all these configurations. You no need to install Java, you no need to install Jenkins, you no need to install web server. Right, with that Linux machine, with that AMI, with that image only, you are getting all these things, guys. Understood? AWS is not giving empty machine. AWS is giving, right, so complete configuration also. With this configuration, AWS is providing one image. Amazon mission image, guys. This is Linux virtual machine, right? With this machine only, we are creating one image. That's why we will call it as Amazon mission image. You will get the machine with all this configuration if you choose this AMI. Understood, guys? What is the advantage of AMI? 1 minute, guys. Charge.